Hi everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna say like this: no one woman not pretty, we're all beautiful and gorgeous. All we need in our life it's Tom Ford summer collection. Yes, I have for you summer eyeshadow palette from Tom Ford, and it's number 01 Emerald Dusk. I actually a little bit surprised because if I look at Dior, I already see collection Chanel, and it's gonna be beautiful, like a purpley undertone eyeshadow. I know it's already, you can see Dior, it's also lavender, pinky, like purpley, but Tom Ford surprises it. No purple, no pinky, but it is beautiful, but it is expensive, $90. I will swatch for you. I will talk about more about this eyeshadow palette, and of course if you like my eye makeup, it's Tom Ford. I teach you step by step how I create this look. Yes, lipstick from Tom Ford, highlighter, everything you will see in this video, but also I am gonna use something very important for summer. This is summer collection. We need a nice beautiful foundation, and today I have Tom Ford foundation, 50 SPF, medium to full coverage, blah 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 blah. You know I like to talk. Let's start. You will see me without makeup, and now you see makeup on me. I think it's beautiful. I look sexy and I look young. Don't tell me I look 45. I feel I'm like 30. Let's do something very quick. I'm gonna use Tom Ford foundation. Here it's 50 SPF, shade and illuminating soft radiance foundation, medium to full coverage. I will recommend this foundation for all type of skin or combination to dry. I feel if you are oily, this foundation can be a little bit too much for you. I'm using BK Beauty brush 109. It's one of my favorite right now brush for foundation or even cream bronze. Foundation looks really good, really glowing. Again, if you combination too oily, I think it's a little bit too much for you, but if you combination too dry, you will love this foundation. I'm not sure about price, $150, but you know what? It is Tom Ford. Everything in Tom Ford expensive. Now let's use concealer. I'm gonna use Tom Ford concealer. It is $60. It reminds me a little bit Claire de Peau, because Claire de Peau have like concealer like a lipstick like this, and it is creamy, it is rich. This concealer, again, I am using my finger. I feel this concealer is go better when you apply it with your fingers and brush, but it is looks very pretty. It's the first time I try, not first time, I just don't remember. I used to use this concealer and then for some reason I stopped. I don't remember why, but I am applying now, and the end of video I will let you know if it's this concealer crease or not, because it is very creamy, it's very rich. I look a little bit pale, but not for a long time. I'm gonna use my favorite bronze stick. It's from brand Tarte. I am using same foundation brush. I do not apply in bronze on my face. I apply in brush, and then I'm just gonna little bit put this product close to my hairline. It just products go way more pretty on my skin when I using brush, because when I apply and right away my bronze on my skin and then I blend in, sometimes I need actually work too hard to push product, to blend product, and I feel like I'm ruining my foundation. This is why I like this way. I like to put on my brush and then apply bronze. Now it's time for me to set my makeup, and I'm gonna use loose powder from Huda Beauty. I already tried, I really like. I bought it Sephora and it's fragrance free. I can use under my eyes, I can use on entire my face. I really like it. It's not irritate my skin. Thank you. Okay, she listened us. We wanted loose powder with no fragrance and she delivered to us. I'm gonna use a big brush from Bobbi Brown. And now I'm just gonna set my liquid foundation. Again, very glowing, like wow. Now I'm gonna use big blending brush. I'm gonna apply this powder on my brush, and what I do, I don't apply right away. I kind of tap and I do have powder here, and now I'm gonna set my concealer, and so far I think this is my favorite setting powder under my eyes. I'm pretty sure this is my number one right now favorite powder. I just have my eyebrows thin at Nordstrom. I don't need much work to make them pretty, but I still gonna use my favorite again product. It's a Grande Brow. It's a clear gel. It's laminating gel. All what I do, I apply in my brow gel this direction, opposite way, and now after few seconds I'm just gonna push my brows up. I want my brow little bit looks lifted. They will look more clean, but most important, it's gonna lift my eyes and I will look way more younger. Skin looks good. Foundation with 50 SPF, it's perfect for the summer, but my lips a little bit dry. I'm gonna use right now lip balm, and it's 02, I believe, sparkle, sun sparkle. Just need a little bit hydration. I love this soft lip color. It's perfect again for summer. And if you ask me what is your favorite items from Tom Ford, I'll say I like every single lip colors, lip formula from Tom Ford. I think to me it's like bread and butter in this brand. It's lipstick because they are to me amazing. And now it's almost time for eyeshadow. This beautiful palette, but I wanna know about pigments, because when you swatch they look beautiful. They even looks like a really have a good pigmentation, but I know it's always tricky when you applying on brush and then on your eyes. And I actually a little bit surprised about Tom Ford because generally I already know, you probably should know too, summer color will say Dior, Chanel. Yes, I already have sneak peek Chanel summer collection. It is gonna be like a purpley lilac colors, and Tom Ford bring for summer teal. I don't know, but let's try, let's see. I will let you know I like or not. First step, eyeshadow primer from my color Orange, soft orange. I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelid. You can see my eyelid have little bit color. I want eyeshadow stay all day. I want nice beautiful pigment. I want little bit pop on my eyes. This is why I apply an eyeshadow primer. Eyeshadow primer, it's done. Now I'm gonna use a big blending brush and we're gonna start with darker color in this palette. And if you're not familiar who I am makeup artist. I'm Nordstrom makeup artist. 20 years I work in a Nordstrom and I teaching people how to look beautiful and gorgeous. Love you more than ice cream. If you like this video, if you're having fun with me, please give me like. More people will see this video and I really appreciate your support. Again, big blending brush, I apply this darker brown color. Wow, look at this brown color. Have a nice beautiful pigment. It's a brown and it's like a coppery red little bit undertone. Again, I apply on entire my eyelid and I little bit push this brown color up. I have only one eyeshadow on my eyelid and it looks so pretty, and I hope it's not complicated for you because again we apply on entire my low lid and we push also this color up. Then I have a clean blending brush and I just little bit soft and push this color up. But you can see here this is the darkest area and then lighter. Now I'm gonna use same brush from Trish McAvoy and we're gonna use these colors. Have a little bit beautiful gold, like looks like a gold color, and I apply right here. I have only two colors with you. If you don't want to do anything else, just put little bit eyeliner, mascara, and it's beautiful. So far, this is very pretty, nice pigment. This is two color, have a beautiful, nice pigment, rich, don't see any fall down eyeshadow, and I'm so surprised. Most eyeshadow palette which one I own from Tom Ford, they don't really have a big pigment, but so far this brown and this like a goldy color have a good pigment. This color, it's your pop color, this is your layering color. It always will look beautiful if you put underneath, like I put this darker color and then I put on top this green color. It looks really pretty, it looks gorgeous. You know, I decided to use Lancome setting mist. I'm gonna just spray my face, I'm gonna spray a little bit my eyelid, and I'm gonna again reapply this eyeshadow. I think it's gonna go, oh yeah, it's go way more intense. Summer, I want pop, I want this bright color, and it's so pretty. This is the lightest eyeshadow in this palette. I apply right here on the center, like close to my brow bone, also right here on the corner of my eyes. This is actually color less pigment than any of this three color. It is pretty, it is gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Little bit too pricey, but you know what, I still working at Nordstrom. I know people who will come and spend this money because it's unique, it's different, they love Tom Ford and of course I will sell because this palette have a nice pigment, yes, good quality, yes, looks pretty, yes. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, we're gonna use eyeliner, mascara, and you will see how my eye look will transform from beautiful to become a fabulous. Another amazing product which one I absolutely love. It's again expensive, I don't remember, $60, $90. I will list it below all prices and products which one I use, but it's a liquid eyeliner from Tom Ford and it's double-ended. The small tiny and I barely... Now it's time to use liquid eyeliner. Shake, shake, shake. It is Tom Ford. It is expensive, but it's my favorite. It is double-ended. We have one brush. It's a long brush, and then we have small and tiny. I barely use in this side. I always use this one. But yes, Tom Ford and Clinique, they have the best liquid eyeliners. I do like Dior too, but I think it's my favorite, still Tom Ford. I'm gonna apply this liquid eyeliner, and I apply really close to my lash line. And if you can look it, I do like little step, kind of pressing. Turn one more time. Oh, voila. I love this eyeliner. It looks beautiful on me and I look sexy. We're almost done with eyes. Okay, I'm gonna use Lancome primer, Lush primer, it's my favorite. And then today I am gonna use Lancome mascara, and it's a green color. Trick with this mascara, when you open, you need kind of circle, warm little bit this product, and then apply this mascara. But it is beautiful, like a black-green mascara. Wow, look at my eyes. Mascara make a big difference. Again, it's like a green black, but I'm so in love with this like a teal color in the center. Gives this nice, beautiful pop. Okay, let's put a little bit highlighter, blush, and some new color from Tom Ford. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use the newest highlighter from Tom Ford, and it's 02 Nude Sand. For my brush, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury brush. I love this brush. This is such a beautiful brush. You can use this for highlighter, for blush, for cream bronze, for cream blush. It's very pretty. Okay, this highlighter, it's really pigmented, and it has this like it's a gold, I would say goldy undertone. Like I mentioned, we're gonna use beautiful blush. Yes, I love this blush from Tom Ford. We have a two color here. I like it's like a bright orange peachy color and softer. I like to use this two color together. This blush, it's have a beautiful nice pigment, and it just like pushing up. Again, circle motion, pushing up, circle motion, pushing up. Wow, I love this blush. My skin looks so pretty, glowing. This foundation don't look heavy on me. Nice, beautiful coverage. Again, it's perfect for combination to dry to extremely dry. I think if you're oily, it will be a little bit too much. Concealer looks beautiful, have a very slightly creasing, but you know what, I'm not gonna even reattach or put on top powder, because if I will get a magnified mirror, you will see, but from like 1 minute distance, you don't see any creases. It looks perfect. And now let's use some beautiful lip color. I love my makeup. My eyes look so pretty. You girls see me without makeup and with makeup. I think it's a huge difference. I hope and when I explain to you, you understand my English. I try to do my best step by step, showing you, teach you how to look young and beautiful. For my lips, I'm gonna use Tom Ford beautiful new lip color Place New Year. I think it's number 33, and I'm gonna use lip liner from Christian Dior 365 New World Matte. Wow, I love this soft, beautiful, like a pinky color, very like, and make me look younger. My eyes have today color. This is why I decide to go with softer lip color, because it will still continue make me look young. Love you more than ice cream. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe.